So we have this region that's bounded by these graphs, and we want to revolve the bounded region around the horizontal line y equal to 0, or the x-axis. So this is the graph for x equal to the square root of y plus 2. This is the graph for x equal to 0.5y. This is the line y equal to 0, and this is the line y equal to 5. So here's our bounded region, and we'll revolve it about this axis of revolution, the line y equal to 0, or the x-axis. And since we're using the shell method, and the axis of revolution is horizontal, then our rectangles will also be horizontal. So for this rectangle right here, this is what the this is what the shell looks like. And so the radius of the shell is just the distance from the axis of revolution to the center of the shell. So this is the center of the shell. So this is some y distance. And so the average radius is y. The height of the cylinder, it'd be this graph minus this graph. So it'd be the graph of the square root of y. This is the graph x equal to the square root of y plus 2. And this is the graph x equal to 0.5y. So it'd be the square root of y plus 2 minus 0.5y. And then notice that the shaded region ranges from y equal to 0 up to y equal to 5. And so our integral will have limits of integration from 0 to 5. And so we have average radius, y. The height of the cylinder is the square root of y plus 2 minus 0.5y. And then thickness of the shell, dy. This is this is the same as y to the 1/2. So y times y to the 1/2 is y to the 3/2. Y times 2 is 2y. And then y times 0.5, y is 0.5 y squared. Antiderivative for y to the 3/2, add 1 to the exponent, 3/2 plus 1 is 5/2, and then dividing by 5/2. Antiderivative for y is y squared divided by 2. Antiderivative of y squared is y to the 3rd divided by 3. Dividing by 5/2 is the same as multiplying by 2/5. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 0.5 divided by 3 is 1/6. And then we'll evaluate from 0 to 5. So plugged in the 5 here, and then 5 here. And then when we plugged in 0, 0, 0, we'll get 0. And then all of this is 166.676233. So the volume of the solid of revolution is 166.6762.